Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we got something new for you. Yes, I told you I will come back with something, didn't I not? Yeah. Okay, so in this channel I'm not even going to say nothing much. I'm just going to put a little bit of background music and I'm going to show you a few lipsticks that I obviously have chosen from a typical cheap ass shop. That maybe have probably been from Boots, or it probably even be from the pound shop. That's how cheap we're talking. Yes, because I realized that the cheapest lipstick that you can actually get is sometimes the best lipstick you can actually get. For example, an expensive lipstick that you probably get from, I don't know, superdrugs or any superdrug kind of store or makeup store tend to be kind of flimsy. They don't stick on your lips properly, or if they do stick on your lips properly, they're just patchy and all over your sides and everything like that. With a cheap lipstick now, for an example, this one that I have bought, which is I believe is from a pound shop, they have more options in colour, first of all. Second of all, they are quite good because they last on my lips for a whole entire time better than the 24-hour lipstick. Yeah, I would say these last about 48 hours instead of 24. But yeah, I'm just going to show you a few of them of how they look, and then obviously, yeah, you decide on which one you want to get. And obviously I've told you a bit of advice of lipsticks that you should probably get nowadays, instead of forking out probably £24 for a lipstick that's not even going to stay on your lip for 24 hours. And if it does stay on your lips for 24 hours, you're going to have to reapply because it's now drying out. These lipsticks, they do not dry out. You can put a little bit of lip gloss on top of it if you want it to keep that glossy kind of look inside. And if you hear noise in the background, that's just my kids acting stupid like they always do. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, as I will do exactly the same for yourself. So thank you.
Blunt after blunt, pouring Henny on the curb, middle fingers up in the pouring rain. The tears blending, you got killing on your mind. Will the spilling never end? Ooh, you got nothing to lose. What you gonna do? I hope you make the right move. Ooh, you got nothing to lose. What you gonna do? I hope you make the right move. Just another page illustrating thoughts as I color in these liquor stains, trying to find a quicker way. Always end up slow-mo, make a monopoly, everything else is a no-go. Yeah, I'm so thrown off this holy water soundtrack of a lonely author, asking God to tell me it's heaven your only offer. Damn, I wish I was the answer, man, cause I got all these questions I can't seem to figure out. So damn, I wish I was the answer, man. The finish line, some fake jewels, so go ahead, live life through competition. All I see is mirrors getting clearer once I got the vision, but still, damn, yeah, I wish I was the answer, man, cause I got all these questions I can't seem to figure out. So damn, I wish I was the answer, man. I wish I was the answer, man, cause I got all these questions I can't seem to figure out. So damn, I wish I was the answer, man.
You better get out of my room.